A city court judge excluded the media and even the victim's family from today's felony hearing for a Buffalo man charged with the murder of his stepson. And News 4's George Rickert reports the DA is now outraged.
I have run many preliminary hearings. This is the first time that I've ever seen the courtroom closed to the public. This is a public courtroom.
Security was very tight as Ali Muhammad came to city court for a scheduled felony hearing 6 days after being arrested for second-degree murder in the death of his stepson, 10-year-old Abdifata Muhammad, who was found dead in his basement on Guilford Street. Many members of his family came to court only to be shut out. Defense attorney Kevin Spittler convinced City Court Judge Diane Ray to clear the court of the press and public, and only attorneys were allowed to listen to the felony hearing.
My understanding is that the defendant would be prejudiced by publicizing what evidence is against him.
Neither side is allowed to elaborate beyond that about the reasons given or what evidence came out in court. Judge Diane Ray has been on the city court bench since January. Did she make the right call? Her boss, Chief City Court Judge Thomas Amadeo, stands by her.
And is very limited the times that this has ever happened in the court, but she felt the defense attorney did make sufficient reason to bar the public from the courtroom during the felony hearing. So I stand by my judge on that ruling.
Sometimes we will oppose cameras in the courtroom, sometimes we'll take no position, but this is different. This is barring the entire public. You'd have to ask Judge Ray that question. We opposed the defendant's motion.
40-year-old Ali Muhammad is still held without bail. The DA says the grand jury will hear this case within the next 45 days. Reporting live, George Rickert, News 4 at 6.